My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volvo S90. This vehicle has done just under 58,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature and automatic headlights. And on the right, we have our voice control. On the first page of our home screen, we can access navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone integration, and our average fuel consumption. On the second page, we have our car functions. This includes things like park assist, start stop, and connected safety. If we press here, we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes to choose from: eco for efficient drive, comfort for everyday use, and dynamic for high performance. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.